What did I just do? I just kicked the bucket. But what does this mean, this phrase, to kick the bucket? What is that? It means to die. It's a list of all the things that you would want to do before you kick the bucket. Why is the bucket list important for you and for all of us? It's important because it tells us what we really want to do with our lives. Start writing down all the things that you want to do, all the things that are your passions. Think about your passions and then write items on your bucket list in keeping with those passions. I created a bucket list a number of years ago. I've accomplished a number of items on that list. Number one, mentoring students. I discovered my desire to do that after speaking to a high school class. A number of months ago, I traveled to Lexington, Kentucky to see the University of Kentucky Wildcats play basketball. I've loved that team since I was 8 years old. I sat there with 24,000 other fanatic fans as we rooted for the Kentucky Wildcats. Thankfully, they won that game. Number three, writing books. I have written 2 self-help books. And number 4, creating a YouTube video. But I'm not done. And neither should you be once you've accomplished a number of items on your list. This can be an ongoing, lifelong process. Keep your mind stimulated. Do the things that you want to do. Feel alive, feel excited to do something that you want to do, to be happy about it, and to be exhilarated about. Isn't that what life is all about? Ladies and gentlemen, I leave you with this. Start creating your bucket list today before you kick the bucket. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was relevant to your needs. Please make your comments below. As always, I remind you, drink and drink abundantly from the fountain of life. See you next time.